Hi, good morning. Today we are going to I will going to explain how to create a DOL structure using Gen PLC in the Omron. So first we need to open the new project. I am going to in our desktop. See, I have downloaded the Gen PLC software. Gen PLC software. It's called Gen PLC Omron software. We can create any small logics from using this software. So first we need to go. We create one small device starter. First we will create the start. So first start button. So motor start button. This one. So next, the start button is the always in NC. So we can select the NC here. Then start button. Here start. Start button is the NO. Select the NO. Select the start button. The NO, the input one. So next you can select the output. Output is called, we can name it as a motor. So motor. Then now we are tagged for both. So we need to hold this motor while starting. So we can create the one more NO here. The motor output holding that. We can both here. Then click here. Now the program is completed. DOL started. Now we can simulate this one. See how you can cross verify your program is right or not. See, now I am going to run the program. Now this called start button. See, if you press the start button here, activating. So I am pressing start. Now the motor got started. See, it is indicating. If you want to stop, you can press the stop button. So I am pressing here stop button is activated. You holding or deactivate. Now motor got stopped. This is the way you can able to make small programs using Gen PLC. It is very useful for us for learning this software. Thank you to all.